I remember my first day of EMT class. I literally had no idea what I was getting myself into. I walked into a large auditorium of over 80 people. 2 weeks into the program, I realized, okay, this is what I want to do. I hope you have the same feeling that I felt when I was on day one of EMT school. Let's talk about how to prepare for this so we can do the best that we can. Here we go. Hey everyone, this is the Paramedic Coach here. My name is Evan and welcome to EMS Education here on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button down below. Tap that notification bell if you're new here to get more videos like this on EMS Education. And everybody watching, punch, annihilate, smash that like button down below. And let's dive into it. I'm going to tell you right now how to prepare for EMT school. Now, what you are embarking on is a brand new career. To give you an example for myself, and for a lot of my students, they're on the same story as I have. And I'll share it with you. I was about 19 years old when I entered EMT school. I walk into an auditorium of 80 plus people. Within 2 weeks, I look at the paramedic instructor and go, okay, that's what I want to do. I'm the paramedic coach. Here we are. Okay, so we made the goal. Now I want to help you. Your first day of EMT school. What do we do? Well, there's 3 ways that we can actually prepare for this. 3 ways. How many? There's 3 ways. Way number 1 is I want you to get a handle before you go in on what we call patient assessments. How to do a physical exam, how to actually assess a patient from head to toe. This is one of the biggest cornerstones that is inside of EMT class. You can actually go to the NREMT website and print out the 2 patient assessment sheets. There's one medical and one traumatic. You can print them out. Just start reading them before you enter class. Trust me, it will help tremendously. I don't care if you're days, weeks, months, or years out from starting. Go and do that, okay? That would be number 1. Number 2 is the actual skills that you're going to be learning. So, now, it's impossible to mimic every skill about the equipment, but watching videos, understanding how to take vitals, understanding vital signs, how to do blood pressure, understanding different lung sounds, right? Getting some of those skills down, splinting, getting some of those skills down, and having an awareness level before you go in so you don't go in blind with that. The different oxygen equipment too, for example, BVM, CPAP, non-breather, nasal cannula. These are EMT cornerstone stuff. That would help you tremendously before you go in. Now, I'm going to give you 2 more. Even though I said 3, I'm going to give you a bonus. So stay to the end for that one. The 3rd piece is anatomy and physiology, my friends. So a large portion of this class, EMT class, is going to be going over anatomy and physiology. So basically, what's in the body and how the body works. This bridges us to the 4th bonus. If we understand anatomy and physiology at a deep level, then it's very easy to understand the medical and traumatic emergencies, which is what happens in the body when something goes wrong. Okay? So those would be the 4 main things I would focus on studying before entering. Now, here is something I want to tell you. That EMT class that I went through, there was 80 plus people on day 1. There was only about 20 or 30 people left at the end of the class. So what happens to the rest of the people? EMT class is very, very accelerated. And for this reason, I've created right here, which is my video study course. It's a prep course to help you get ready for the acceleration and the coursework inside of EMT class. You can see more results and more about it by clicking the link down below. It's the first link, and I actually give my students lifetime access with 1 payment to the course. Link down below. What I go over here, I have an entire section on EMT school prep. I have an entire section on prescription medication, understanding a patient's med list. I have sections on skills. I have sections on understanding the main medical and traumatic emergencies anatomy and physiology course in there as well. All inside one video vault. And actually, because you get lifetime access, you get access to EMT, AMT, and Paramedic. This right here is how you prep for EMT school. You don't have to look and search all over online and look at this video, and that video. Just go right here. It's all streamlined, and it's all done, shot like this, professionally with the whiteboard for you. So my friends, click the link down below. I will see you there. And my friends, welcome to the Paramedic Coach. Let's go.
Don't waste any time. Don't be hesitant and just do it, because I know this program works. And I know it got me to where I was, where it's been a year without school, from EMT to, hey, I passed my test in 70 questions. Like, go for it. You could do it. Like, do not hesitate and don't waste any time.
People that don't know you, they need this program. This program is not a choice. To me, this program is a have to.
It take thousands and thousands of pages in the books, and you just narrow it down and just make everything simple to pass the registry. So it's great content, man. I promise you, it's worth it.
Took this with 3 weeks left to go in my class, and I'm not sure if I would have been able to pass my course or the NREMT first try without this course.
The fact, like when I was taking the national, and I would read the question, and I would be like, whoa, Evan literally just went over this in the car. So it helps.
I got to the point where I was just ready to spill all my knowledge onto this freaking test. So I'm like, you know what, man, just go ahead, go for it. Open it up, boom, congratulations, you passed. It was outside of having my children, man, it's probably the happiest day of my life, bro, to be honest with you.